Hello and welcome to another unboxing. And in today's video, I decided to get the Hot Wheels Flames 5 pack. Let's open it. And here it is. Now, first car is this pickup truck. What is it? It's the 83 Chevy Silverado. Yeah, it's pretty heavy. When was this released? 2008. Yeah, this was first released in 2008. And it's very heavy. The next car is a 56 Ford. Now I don't have one of these. I do have that 83 Chevy Silverado from the UK's main line. Yeah. Next one is pretty terrible. Muscle Speeder. This is a fantasy, so it ain't as good as a real car. Let's throw that away. And the next car is a Bruiser. Another fantasy, but this one I don't have it. And the last car, actually pretty cool. 64 Impala. I don't know whether I have this casting, but yeah, it's gonna be a good add-on to my collection. Let me throw this away. That was loud. And yeah, basically that's the whole 5 pack. Yeah, that's it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.